Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. We made it all possible. This one is called Dazzling Shamrock. Dazzling Shamrock. It's so pretty. I'm going to take the shadow that I use, and I'm going to use some lip gloss. And before I do that, I'm just going to put some black bean on my lip just to give it something to stick to. Don't put a lot, only a little. Just to give the shadow something to stick to. Stick to. I'm going to take some Vaseline. And I'm going to put some on my hand. I think I put too much, but it's okay. Like that. And I'm going to take some of that shadow that I use, and I'm going to mix it together and use it as a lip gloss. Get excited, folks. So I'm going to put it over. I don't know if you guys can see it. Put it like that. And then I'm going to mix it together. And use it as a lip gloss. I like this song. I'm so grateful. I'm so great. See, it looks like that. I want the green to pop a little more. That's why I only did the black bean light. I didn't put a lot on it. Add a little more. There you go. What do you ladies think so far? Now this is that green look that I created, and everyone was in love with it. I love creative look and natural looks. The shadow's flying. So what I did after I applied it as a gloss, I just took some of the shadow by itself and put it over so it has, so the color pop. I want everybody to stay encouraged. Don't be moved by what you see. Believe great things are going to happen for you. Expect great things to happen. Expect it. Expect it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.